This video is going to be looking at the top 3 most popular high-tech immersive experiences in the world today, and we'll be comparing them to the new hologram technology created by Axiom Holographics.
Beyond King Tut, the immersive experience opens early next month.
Yes, this morning we have live pictures for a special announcement. I believe we have a countdown. There it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. WCVB is
The National Geographic Beyond King Tut immersive experience is considered to be one of the top 3 immersive projection experiences in the world at the moment. It consists of 2 rooms that have projectors on the walls.
It's just absolutely amazing. We're talking about the Beyond King Tut, the immersive experience. Imagine being king.
The projectors are flat and 2-dimensional. This isn't hologram technology. If it was hologram technology, you could have cows walking around in this room or birds flying around in the air. Instead, these are very flat images on the walls. Here we can see Axiom Holographics' new hologram tunnels. It's obviously a long way ahead. The characters actually come off the walls, and the actual walls project to be like windows, so they have real depth. You can actually see out for hundreds of kilometers. This is the Van Gogh immersive experience. It costs $32 US per person. This show has been traveling around the world and has been in over 20 locations so far.
We project Van Gogh's art that's been animated onto the walls and onto the floor.
This is sunflowers. Are we going into Starry Night?
It is called an extremely high-tech exhibit. When they say one of the most high-tech attractions in the world, what they mean is it's very hard to get projectors to match up to each other. It's very hard to position one next to another so that you can make a seamless picture out of many projectors. So the high technology they refer to is their ability to do what's called projection mapping, which is basically how you get projectors to join together to make larger pictures. The projectors are both on the walls as well as on the floor. Once again, this is the technology before hologram technology, so none of these things are coming out off the walls, they're all just stuck flat and 2D. What we're looking at now is Axiom Holographics hologram technology, and you can see the difference. It uses lasers to project 3D objects in the air all around the people. The third most high-tech attraction in the world is TeamLab Borderless in Japan. It costs $32 US per person. It does around 2.3 million visitors every year. Once again, it is flat 2-dimensional projectors. In this particular case, they are projecting onto a rock with a projector coming down from above on the ceiling. They use these projectors to create a river. There's nothing wrong with these flat 2-dimensional immersive experiences. Without hologram technology, that's all that can be done. Of course, if we were to apply hologram technology to TeamLab, then you would have birds in the sky, fish swimming around in the air, and the walls wouldn't look like flat projections. Instead, they would look like windows that had real depth where you would see out for hundreds of kilometers. Axiom Holographics is using a new technology that they've created where the objects can actually be seen from all sides. That's what a hologram is. It's a Greek word. It means whole picture. So with holograms, as the dinosaur comes towards you, you see his left side, then you see the front of him, then you see his right side when you pass him and look back. The complex computer mathematics makes everything generate out of laser light to act in the same way that real objects act in the real world.